right, we're going on a quick test drive here. The car has 58,864 miles at the time of driving. The exhaust sounds really nice. It's really quiet when you're just cruising. Then of course when you get on it you can hear it a little bit, but it's not obnoxious at all. It could really almost pass as stock, just a little bump over stock. The steering wheel is perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. I'm going to apply the brakes kind of hard at this light here. Brakes feel solid. Steering wheel doesn't shake or anything when you apply the brakes. This car does have a backup camera. You see Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that nice carbon insert. Shifts really smooth. I don't hear a bunch of creaks. Now you're gonna have a couple here and there, but I don't hear an excessive amount of creaks with that top or any of the plastics. It's all in really good condition. The shift's really smooth. There's really no complaints in driving the car. Everything feels nice. Like I said, it's all buttoned up good. I don't hear a bunch of creaks. The interior is in great condition. Just looking around, very, very clean. Just giving it like 40% throttle there. Like I said with that exhaust, almost sounds stock. It's just a little bit deeper, so you would almost not know that it has exhaust on it, which is nice. But from the outside, it does sound really good. Really, really nice car. No complaints. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel. That gloss black looks really nice. I don't see any curb rash. It's an absolutely beautiful wheel. Got the Pilot Sport All Season 4s on here. Looking at the fender, now you're gonna have little scuffs and swirls from just kind of everyday washing, but overall it's in great condition. I see a couple small rock chips that have been touched up. Overall, that looks really, really good. This plastic is all clean. You have a couple small rock chips on this side mirror, but it looks really good. I see two tiny touch-up spots there. I mean, you got to get an inch away to even see those. That door is in great condition. I see a little touch-up spot right there. The rest of that looks good. That wheel looks perfect. And looking at the top, it's in great condition. Got the tempered glass. That top looks really nice. Looking at this side, I don't see any rips, tears, or any imperfections that are out of the ordinary. All of this is very, very clean. All right, looking at the front end, let's start with these headlight covers. A couple little rock chips, a few small rock impacts. I do see a couple scratches right here. You can get in the right light. Little rock impacts, little rock chips. You're gonna see those just every once in a while. Gonna see them just kind of scattered around that front. A few little scratches. That light has a little crack right there and a couple in that lower section. Then you're going to see the little rock impacts and chips here. That area has sustained the most. Little cracks on the glass here. And then this light has some cracks on it as well. And getting underneath. Overall, looks good. You got a couple scuffs. Little rash. But just walking around it from a couple feet up, you're not going to see any of that underside rash. Alright, checking out the engine bay. Looks really good. Got a little bit of wear right there. But overall, that liner is in great condition. Alright, checking out the driver's side. Looking at the fender. A couple small rock chips. They've been touched up. Got a little one right there. Overall though, that looks good. That wheel's perfect. I don't see any curb rash. Looking at that lower rocker, it's in great condition. A couple rock chips on the side mirror. Of course, you got to get real close to see that. All of that's in awesome condition. And overall, this car is really clean. A couple chips on the door edge, very minor though. Little chip there. You have a scratch right here that does catch my nail. A couple chips. I do have a gash right there that's been touched up. And looking at that wheel, it's absolutely perfect. You can even see the barrel, super clean. Then checking out the trunk. Overall, the carpet's in great condition. Then you have this custom cover here. It does have some scuffs and scratches. Underside looks good. Checking out the back here. Taillights are in great condition. See a tiny scuff right here. It's just on the surface. I think that could polish out most likely. Got the Corsa exhaust. Chrome tips look really good. Here on the third brake light, looks like some sticky tape on it. I wonder if it had like a black cover on it. And so that's just a little bit of residue left over from some sort of sticker. And I see some very light scuffs here. Those taillights look good. The rest of this is in great condition. And then here on the back cover, you do have a larger chip right here that's been touched up with a small scuff. But the rest of it looks like it's in really good condition. That was the main flaw that I could see. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and it is really nice. All of this is in great condition. Those buttons are perfect. You have some very minor separation on the leather there, but you can't see it, only when you push on it. That lower section looks good. That looks perfect. All of that looks good. Checking out the trim. That looks really nice. Now the cushion has some wrinkles, little scuffs, a little bit of wear right there. Overall, that leather's still really soft. Upper section looks really nice. Got some wrinkles, all typical, little scuff. Checking out the steering wheel. A couple tiny scuffs. Overall, really nice. Gauge cluster looks good. You have this carbon fiber overlay. That's really good looking. Got the Pioneer. All of this is in great condition. And you have an aftermarket leather cover here. You can see some wrinkles on the front. For the most part though, that's in great condition, looks good. Got the red Lloyd mats. Those are bright red. Overall, this side looks amazing. Here on the passenger door panel, the upper section looks good. Very minor separation here on that leather, and you can't even see it. The buttons are in great condition. All of that looks good. Got the red mats. They look brand new. This trim here looks good. Typical wrinkles on the seat. That bolster's in great condition. Upper section looks good. Has that nice matte finish to it. See all the carbon here. Cover looks good. I don't feel any separation on the dash there. It's all in great condition.